international.
Now what?
Mommy J worldwide.
This one why they hate me, so I don't know what to carry you call here. The one when they owe me, you never pay. You send your small brother come and don't put you and go back. You carry and come make her see say you need me. Oh yeah, what you can't find again?
Mommy J, see when I talk say wahala be like bicycle, wahala really be like bicycle. She be another work when I tell you I go work day for yesterday. Up till they never pay me. But see, Mommy J, not be say I hear the carry they talk, not be say because I hear the carry the yans.
You need time when they don't pay you as you don't talk, so then you don't go near you again. So now make me and say not they sell for credit again.
Mommy J, see, come. See, not be say I hear the carry they talk, not be say I hear the carry the yan. Trust me this time. See, again work what I want to do. See, if after that I finish that work then I 60K now they go pay me. And as I pay me that 60K, I go give you your money. I go give you Jara joy.
So you they always they talk now. You go give me my money. You go give me my Jara.
Mommy J, just believe me this time. See, just calm down. You don't know me. No, you don't trust me.
I know you.
You don't know me.
I know you. I know you.
Mommy J, see, I beg. The only thing I don't need for you, you just give me one bread and one Indomie. Because of this, my younger one. They beat the.
This one when they talk plenty, so I don't want just reason you. Now because of this boy when keep face like we say I don't know, so now I make I go just give you. But if I give, I beg you now. Once I give you, deliver. Pay me my money.
Mommy,
so me and you go live in peace. So
you not get
me and you go live in bread and Indomie.
Yes.
Give me my money, oh.
You not get problem. You not get problem. You you go do your face, you split your face. You go must let everybody know so you don't hungry. Some this get person we do your face like who wish don't give thief. You know go face smile for one smile. Get sense we get smile. We go disgrace me. Go bless someone to give my food. Laugh. Holiday.
Bread and Indomie. When the money come, remember, me pay me my money.
Okay, Mommy.
You don't pay me the money, no.
No, Mommy, no worry now.
I don't hear. No, I don't hear.